Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So today's video is going to be on the Remington curling wand. This is the 1 to 1.5 inch wand. And yeah, it's actually like my favorite curling wand. So if you guys want to see how I curl my hair with this and hear my thoughts on the product, then just keep on watching. So I've got the Remington curling wand. It's a 1 to 1.5 inch. Honestly, I was really surprised because this only cost $7.99 at Ollie's. Like, yeah. It was that cheap. At first, I was almost considering not buying it because I was like, if it's that cheap, is it really any good? But then I realized I actually have had one of these Remington wands before at home. Well, I'll actually show it to you guys in a second. I have this one right here. See? They're like exactly the same, like packaged the same. The only difference is the size, and I don't know what the size is on that one, but it is a lot smaller than this one. It gives a lot more like tight spiral curls. Well, anyways, one of the things that I love about this wand is you can set the heat. I love that. I normally will set this one to 360. I've had some wands recently where you couldn't set it and all you could do was hit the on button. This wand heats up so quickly. All I do is set it to 360 and wait for a few minutes and it will flash and then it'll stop flashing to indicate that it's done heating up. So I really love that about this wand. If you guys have seen my other videos, I hope you guys aren't getting sick of me like reviewing hair tools, I guess, for you guys. I don't know, what can I say? I just really like doing my hair, I guess. And if you guys saw my spring cleaning vlog, like I showed my closet where I organize all of my hair tools and things. So you guys can see that I have quite a bit. I just really enjoy doing my hair. I've gotten rid of a few in the past that I don't like as much as I like my new ones that I've been sharing with you guys, which is why I like making videos of them on my channel. But anyway, so this one has a heat setting, and one of the other good features about it is that after you set the heat, there's a plus and a minus button on there, and if you just hold that down for a few seconds, a lock button will appear on the screen letting you know that those settings are locked. So like, you know how you're holding a wand and sometimes your fingers can hit the buttons? That way you don't sit there and accidentally change the heat setting while you're in the middle of curling your hair. You don't have to worry about accidentally turning it off or pressing one of the buttons and changing the heat setting on it. So that's another cool feature this one has. Another thing I like about this is that when I want to set it down, it has these two little spikes that pop out on the end. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that makes it perfect to set down on the table like I'm doing now in front of me when I've got to section off my hair. That way I don't have to worry about like burning my table or anything like that. I like that they're connected like that. If you guys saw my other one where I reviewed the Curly Pops curling wand, that one was different. It had a clasp that you would pull out, but that can also push back in. I've noticed when I'm using this curling wand that my hair doesn't really get frizzy. I'm not really sure what the barrel's made out of, but whatever it is, works really well. It doesn't have like an odd smell or anything when you first use it. It works amazing, you guys. Like, if I had to choose what my favorite curling wand would be that I own, this one would definitely be it. I like the more like natural curls that it gives me, and this one's like just the perfect size because if I want like slightly tighter curls, I can bring it down more on the barrel. Now you guys probably find it weird the way that I section off my hair, but this is just the easiest way I've found for me. Like, I'm just one of those people, I don't like to take forever curling my hair. Like, yes, I love doing it, but I want to be quick and efficient about it. So I just never have time to like section it off with clips or hair ties. I've gotten so used to just doing it this way that this just works for me. I'm just going to grab this section and throw it back and then move on to underneath. That's kind of how I do it. It works really well for me. It's pretty simple to do. I like to wrap my hair around the top of the barrel just so that I get that really loose curl. That literally took me like maybe 5 minutes to do. Like, it's just so simple. It just works so fast, and I've noticed that my curls in my hair last a lot longer with this curling wand because I'm that type of person where I don't like to use hairspray. All I do is spray the It's a 10 spray in my hair as a heat protectant and everything, And that's it. Like, I'm just that type of person where I don't like to use hairspray, so if I can get away with not using it, I will. And I know with this one, my curls last a lot longer than some of my other curling ones. You can mess around with the heat settings and decide what heat setting is right for you. I started off decently low and moved my way up, but at this point I pretty much know like what the best heat setting is for my hair. So I typically will go around like 360 or 375, somewhere along there. Where I'm more prone to burn myself when I'm curling this side of my hair for some reason. Is that like that for you guys too, or is it just me? Because I find it really weird. All I do is wrap my hair around the wand and I leave it in for 10 seconds, just like I do with any of my other ones. That's why I said, like, you know, you just figure out what heat setting works for you and go with it, because for me, 360 for 10 seconds works. I just don't like to hold my hair too long on any heating product, so. With how much I love this curling wand, honestly, like, even though I got a great deal on it and it was $7 for me, like, I would have paid 30 bucks for this because that's how much I love this curling wand. But it's just personal preference. I just love the curls that it gives me, and I like how long they last. And yeah, I feel like it was definitely a cheaper alternative to some of the others that are out there. So yeah, guys, this is how my hair turned out. I really love like the natural kind of curls that it gives me, and it literally only took me like 15 minutes. Doesn't take much time at all to do my hair. I love this wand. Like, if I had to choose between this wand or any of the other ones I own, this one would definitely be my favorite and the one that I would keep. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.